Welcome to Sparks Toyota. My name is Rick Titus and I'm one of the sales and lease consultants here. I would like to take you out on our lot today to show you one of our Sparks certified vehicles. Our certified vehicles include a 7-year or 100,000 mile limited powertrain warranty, as well as a 2-year or 30,000 mile of complimentary recommended service. Let's take a look. Here we have a 2015 Nissan Frontier Desert Runner. It has a clean Carfax report with only one previous owner and comes equipped with keyless entry, power side mirrors, deep tinted glass, and only has 3,212 miles on it. The Frontier remains a great pick for mid-size pickup trucks, thanks to its brawny V6 engine and good ride quality. This Frontier has 16-inch off-road alloy wheels and all-terrain tires with lots of tread lift. There's also a full-size spare with a low tire pressure warning system for convenience and safety. As you can see, this Frontier is in great condition. It has a very clear aero halogen headlamps, along with fog lights, and a really nice black grille with metallic surround to tie it all together. Under the hood, you have a V6 4-liter engine with automatic transmission. This Frontier has rear-wheel drive and is equipped with a 21.1 gallon fuel tank. Let's not forget that this Frontier only has 3,212 miles on it. At the back of the Frontier, you can see the cargo lamp, the sliding rear window, and the tow package, along with the locking tailgate, large brake lights, and sleek badging. In the back seat, you notice this Frontier has been very well taken care of. Passengers can use the cup holders as well as the seat back storage. These seats fold up for more storage space as needed, and there are also child safety door locks for peace of mind. The front of the cabin is well appointed with nice chrome and metallic accents. Driver and passengers will be very comfortable in the adjustable cloth seating. You have a very large console with storage, plenty of cup holders, and a power outlet. This Frontier is also equipped with a locking glove box, door bins, and in-dash storage. Here are the easy-to-reach controls for the power side mirrors, the power door locks with auto lock, and the power windows with driver express down. This Frontier has a very comfortable tilting steering wheel with on-wheel controls for cruise, audio, and Bluetooth features. It's also equipped with a very well-lit instrument cluster. The center stack is home to your entertainment features and is paired with 6 speakers. This includes your classic AM/FM radio with CD player. It's Sirius XM and Bluetooth compatible, and you can easily connect devices using your USB and aux port. This advanced system even has hands-free texting. You also have large climate controls, and everything you see is very easy to use. Thank you for watching. Again, this is a Sparks certified vehicle which includes a 7-year or 100,000 mile limited powertrain warranty, as well as a 2-year or 30,000 mile of complimentary recommended service. It also includes a 160-point quality inspection by Toyota certified technicians, a lifetime Sparks preferred customer program membership, a lifetime 10% loyalty parts and service discount, lifetime complimentary rental cars for any service over $400, a lifetime of discounted pickup and delivery for any service work here at Sparks, lifetime complimentary recall checks and Carfax reports, as well as the lifetime vehicle exchange program. We will buy back your car anytime. If you have any questions, please give us a call at 888-272-5869 or visit us at sparkstoyota.com. Thank you.